If you've been feeling lost in this real estate market in 2021, I don't blame you. It's almost impossible to find a great single-family home in Ankeny for a reasonable price. Guess what? I've got something to show you today. Today we're over in one of my favorite communities in Ankeny, Prairie Trail. What's not to love about this part of town? The homes might be newer, but you can feel the character as you walk down the street here. Plus, you're just a short walk over to the district where you can find shops and restaurants like District 36, Wine Styles, Fong's, and Wasabi, as well as activities like the operating room, AR workshop, and B&B theaters. I'm Josh DeWard, and this is our newest listing. If you've been looking for a place just like this, all you need to do is give me a call and I'd be happy to help you set up a showing for 2605 Southwest 23rd Street here in Ankeny.